Hey guys, Jake here from JRH Appraisals. I am on an appraisal right now, as you can see behind me. The drywall just had its first coat of mud put on. So I am doing this for, as you can see, flooring's not in, drywall's just getting put in. Kitchen, everything, cabinets aren't in. But, so the bank orders this is called a subject to appraisal, meaning I'm appraising this as if the work's already done. So when I pull my comps, I'm pulling comps for new construction homes like this that are already completed, landscaping, outside, inside, everything. So this is very common. They do this sometimes for get loan documents in place. Sometimes they do as is for draws, but this one's being basically ARV, same thing. But just want to kind of show you this is very common. You can see kitchen behind me. We're in a living room. But yeah, it's probably about a month out from being finished, but I appraise it as if it's done now. JRH Appraisals, check us out at jrhappraisals.net. If you need appraisal needs, say you're an investor, looking for as is an ARV, any situation, give us a call. Thanks for watching.